Looking to build a website for your tutoring business but not sure where to start? Then you're at the right place. Building a tutoring website can feel overwhelming. There are a lot of tools, multiple strategies, conflicting advice, and you're worried about making expensive mistakes. That's why I have created a 10,000 words complete step-by-step guide to help you build a result-driven tutoring website that attracts students. This guide covers everything from business foundation, brand strategy to SEO, copywriting, design and development, sales funnel, landing pages, technical aspects, and post-launch marketing. Be sure to read till the end because I'm giving a free checklist that you can follow to launch your tutoring website. Hi, I'm Abdurrahman, founder of Mabit Web Studio. Over the past 3 years, we have helped many online education businesses grow with result-driven websites and effective marketing strategies. I understand that this article is long and can get overwhelming, so in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to navigate it. There are 3 key phases to building a conversion-focused website. The key phases are the foundation, development, and post-launch. Each of these phases have multiple sections, and the most important sections have video explanations. Let me give you a quick overview of the phases and their sections. The first phase is the foundation phase. It has 2 sections. The first one is how to build a strong core foundation. I have provided a video explanation with a complete step-by-step guide on how you can build a core foundation for your tutoring business. The second section is your brand strategy. In the second phase, the development phase, we have 8 sections. The first section is your SEO keyword research. I have provided a video tutorial on how you can use Google Keyword Planner for free to do keyword research. The second section is your website wireframe and site structure. I have provided a video explanation, website wireframing, and the next section, the third one, is website copywriting, goes hand to hand together. So I have explained both the website wireframe and the website copywriting, which is the next section, together in this video. So the third section is the website copywriting section. Then in the fourth section, we have the website design and development. Again, I have provided a video explanation on the different options you have to build your website. Then we have the conversion optimization section. On sixth place, we have sales funnel and lead magnets. Then we have creating a high converting landing page. Lastly, we have the launch and technical setup. So that covers up the development phase. In phase 3, the post-launch phase, I have provided a video explanation on why most education business website fails and how you can build a post-launch strategy. This section only has this phase only has 2 sections: the long-term growth strategy and short-term strategy. Lastly, you will find a free checklist. Be sure to download the checklist and follow. It has a step-by-step roadmap to launching your tutoring business website. After downloading the checklist, you can check out some common mistakes and frequently asked questions. Alright, once you have read through the article, be sure to download the website launch checklist. This checklist contains a step-by-step roadmap. Simply follow each steps and you'll be able to launch a tutoring website that is focused on converting visitors into students. If you get stuck in any of these sections or need advice, feel free to send me a DM on LinkedIn or just book a consultation call with me. I'm more than happy to help.